Hey guys, okay. Right, so we're going to do another video. And the weather is shite. So I've left this basically as it was last night. And as you can see, so what happens in our garden, we have a bit of an allotment at the back. And we get lots of wildlife, we get a few rats as well, but one of those. But we get squirrels, and so started off with 1, and then 2, and 3, and 4. Now we have 4 grey squirrels, which they love the feeders. And they get into this one, and they climb up there, and they can empty that quite quickly. But it's one of those. It's unfortunately, if you have feeders, you can't really pick and choose. If you just want the nice birds, then that's a bit tricky to do, really. But it's okay. So what happens is the squirrels come down, they come across the fence, jump in the feeder, all over the roof. The dogs go absolutely ballistic, and they start chasing all over the garden. So, and like I said yesterday, I'm not that bothered. It's the alternative is you don't feed the birds, you don't have dogs, you don't have borders, that type of thing. But you like what you like, and we like the dogs, the plants, and the birds, and everything that goes with it. So you can't get too het up on things. If you do, like I say, it's not worth the stress. So today we're going to do, because the weather's really crap, we're just going to trim up these lollipops. Really easy to do. I'm sure I've got, yeah, there we go. Yeah, really easy to do. We're just going to use my little garden clippers here, and we'll just get stuck into it. Okay, so that's the other side done. So look, that looks much better, and it's dead easy to do. It's really easy to do. Like I say, just go wild with the clippers. You don't want to take too much off. You just want to keep a general shape. Yeah, that looks fab. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just tidy everything up, and we're going to do that with a hose pipe. So, like I say, because the ground's wet, you can pick up everything individually if you want. And like I say, I'm not that anal, and I'm not that finicky about mess. And like I said yesterday, it's a garden. It's going to get messy anyway, so try not to worry about it. So I'll do this really quick, and I'll show you how easy this is. So basically they just go into a pile, put them into the little bin there, and then they go in the green bin. It's dead easy. So for argument's sake, if I was having a barbecue, a party, friends coming over the summer and it's nice, I'll make an effort then in clearing all the little bits up in the borders, but most of the time it just rots away. It just rots into nothing, like so. And it's good for, you know, soil and things like that. Everything just rots down, and if you get into the habit of doing it, you find you'll have good soil. If you pick everything up, all the time, it's, I don't know, like I said yesterday, it's just better for the environment just to leave bits on the ground and leaves, things like that. I say it's just my opinion. I'm not saying I'm right, but I think it's the better way of doing things. So that's it for today.